Welcome back to the Real Birdie channel. So today we're going to make a coffee scrub, a homemade do-it-yourself coffee scrub for your face, for your elbows, for your knees, for your feet, anything you want. Now this is the freshly ground coffee that I had made the other day. If you remember, I used the Starbucks golden turmeric. I don't know if you can see the flecks of turmeric in there. I made a turmeric mask probably 2 years ago. It's on this channel. So really it's supposed to be 2 teaspoons of everything. But I'm just going to put all this in here so you won't have to waste anything. But the turmeric is very, very good. I will try to find that video and link it to this one. Hopefully I will remember. Turmeric, I can't remember what I mixed it with, but my son, he had eczema really, really bad at the time, and he really had it bad when he was a baby, but this is coconut oil, guys. Very expensive. This was the cheapest one I could find. It was like almost $4. So anyway, that's on that video. That cleared his eczema up overnight. I couldn't believe it. So a lot of times the homemade stuff is the best stuff. And now we need some brown sugar. I wasn't sure what kind of brown sugar to get because it's light. You got light brown sugar, you got dark brown sugar. I'm gonna have to buy me some more kitchen scissors here. Nothing like making your own homemade stuff, guys. Saves a lot of money. Alright, I'll be back. I'm going to put it on my face for you guys. Alright, y'all. So, smells good. Smells good. Alright, so we're going to put some on our face here. I think using that extra coffee helped, y'all, because this stuff, the coconut oil, makes it a little drippy. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment down below if you like to do kitchen remedy type of things. Kind of like how Carol's daughter got started. But I heard she sold her products to L'Oreal, so I don't know what she's doing anymore. I don't know. I don't think I would have done that. She's doing so well on her own. And she was on QVC, had her products on there. Her products are everywhere. Her products are in Target, Sally's, I think. You say when you get older, you gotta treat your neck as well. And they say the caffeine in the coffee is supposed to create a tightening and increase blood circulation. Now, I'll try a dab here on what this is go on my eye, because I will be crying. Cry. I think I was covering my mic, so hopefully it didn't sound crazy, y'all. So I'll probably leave this on for about 10 minutes. And come back. Like I said, this is really kind of messy, but I would imagine this would be really good on your feet. On your elbows, because it's got that grainy texture. And you don't want to rub this off because you don't want to hurt your face. You got to be gentle where taking this off with, I would say, lukewarm to warm water. Smells good. Interesting. Very interesting. A little concoction. Probably try to do more of these. I think it's fun. One recipe I saw, they added lemon juice. You could probably do honey. You probably do, anything you want to do with it, Possibilities are endless with, when you're doing homemade stuff like this. And coconut oil is funny because, if it's hot, it turns to liquid. When it's cold, it turns to a solid again. Very interesting stuff. I have a video about oil pulling where, you swish it in your mouth for, I believe it's a minute. It might be longer than that, which is very hard to do. But you feel your mouth filling up. It's supposed to pull all the bacteria and toxins out of your body. It's supposed to make your skin clearer and your teeth stronger. Your teeth is supposed to heal cavities. So I haven't been keeping up with that. I'll probably start doing that. But like I said, coconut oil is very expensive. So I'll come back when I'm done with this, y'all. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm about to rinse this off here. That's it. All that coffee, brown sugar, and coconut mixture. Coconut oil. These supposed to wipe away from your eyes. so you won't pull your skin down. Especially when you get older. Learned that about 25 years ago in beauty school, when they were teaching us how to do facials. I didn't really enjoy that. I was always a giver. I never really got anything. Only had like 2 pedicures in my whole life. I think that's kind of sad. But if you saw the foot video, I think my feet are in good shape for only having 2 pedicures all my life. And then they say your smooth will go up on your neck. Up. So then you go the opposite way. Again, you're pulling your skin down. And that'll prevent your neck from getting saggy. I got coffee in my mouth, y'all. Let's see. And plus that added addition of turmeric will definitely do some benefits with the skin, y'all. I had a pimple right there, so I'll be anxious to see, if that'll clear it up. Yeah. Let's see. Go back to light here. Yeah. So if you guys have been suffering from acne, wearing that mask, that's what happened. You get that acne from wearing a mask, but it's better than, getting sick. So, alrighty guys, if you like my coffee scrub video, let me know. I can do more of these. They were fun. Alrighty guys, be safe, be well. We'll see you next time. Take care.